Okay, hello YouTube. I've had a few people ask me about how I make my claptons, so figured I'd show you the easy way I do it. I've got some 0.25 stainless steel 316 and also some 0.4 stainless steel 316. I've got a pair of pliers and I've got a pair of snips and a drill. That's about all you need to do it, and we'll just get on and do it. So to begin with, I'm going to take I'm just going to make a fairly short length of clapton because I don't actually need any at the moment because all my builds are all pretty good. So I'm going to cut off about 6 inches over 0.4. One thing you want to be aware of is that happening. I'll sort that out in a minute, but if you don't clamp your wire back in, your wire just springs off the reel like that, and it's really fucking annoying. Right, so first thing you want to do, take your bit of 0.4, just put a little bit of a right angle bend in the end, and then just clamp it in the drill like that. Nice and tight so you don't want it slipping out. And take your pair of pliers, just grab hold of the end of the wire, run the drill for a little bit. That gives you a perfectly straight bit of wire, as you can see. Next thing you want to do, and because I'm using stainless steel, it doesn't need to be cleaned or anything like that. It's one of the benefits of using this type of wire. Just take a little bit off, and then what I'm going to do, use this pen, stick it like that, put the pen between my knees like that to hold it in place. So we're just going to feed the wire straight off the reel. That way you don't get any kind of tangles. If it tangles up, then you're asking for trouble and you just end up with kinked wire. It comes out shit. So I'm just going to wrap the wire around the little bit of 0.4 like this. Doesn't have to be particularly tight, and then you just clamp both bits into the drill and tighten it back up. You want to get this bit nice and tight because the last thing you want to do is have to stop halfway through making it, because that's where it all goes wrong. Right, next thing you want to do, literally just grab hold like that, finger and thumb, and then just run the drill and just hold on to it tight. If you go too fast with the drill, you will burn your fingers. But I'm using the power electric drill, so the speed for this is perfect. And that's about all there is to it, really. Nice and simple. Right, if you try cutting any off of the reel before you start, you'll find it just starts getting tangled, and then if you have to stop. If you stop at all while you're doing this, if you must have let go of the wire, you'll find that it starts to kink up and you don't get an even clapton. So the trick to making a perfect clapton is just keep going right up until it gets to the end, till you've made enough as you want. As you can see, because it's between my legs, it's just feeling nice and smooth. And you can stop the drill halfway through, but as long as you don't let go of that wire. If you let go of that wire, you're asking for trouble. So I've got right to the end of the wire. Now what I do now is tilt the wire slightly backwards on itself, run the drill a little bit more, just so it wraps back over itself, just to make sure it stays nice and tight. Snip that off, and there we go. Perfect clapton, no kinks, totally even, absolutely no problems at all with that. And if you can do that, if you can use a drill and do that little bit, that's all you need to do. You don't need to be paying like 4 or 5 quid just for a couple of short lengths of clapton. All you need is 2 lots of wire. Get it from Wire and Stuff, brilliant company. They post it out really, really quick. And you're talking like 1 or 2 quid just for a reel of wire, which is so cheap. And that's it. See if, I don't know if I'll get a zoom on this, but you should be able to just about see. That's perfect clapton. And that's it. And I suppose any kind of build video ought to finish with a vape. Got the Relu RX 200 here. Nice bit of kit, 30 quid from SR Vapes. Perfect. Take care.